So after discussing the epidemiology, pathology and pathogenesis of the bladder cancer, now let's move on to what are the different clinical features of the bladder cancer, how we can stage the bladder cancer and how we can diagnose the bladder cancer. So clinical features are hematuria, which is the blood in the urine, which usually reflect the exophytic type of tumors. Exophytic are the tumors which grow outwards. So exophytic tumors is very commonly associated with hematuria, blood in the urine. So whenever you see blood in the urine, never take it light or easy. Make sure you should go for further diagnosis. What is the cause of the blood in the urine? Microscopic hematuria is usually prostate in origin. So if the hematuria which is not visible to the naked eye and it's microscopic hematuria, usually it's the cause of the microscopic hematuria is from the prostate in the males. And then there are tests done for the occult hematuria or occult which we can find the test for the microscopic hematuria. So we should do the testing to find out whether there is hematuria which is not visible to the naked eye. The hematuria, as again, is important clinical feature. Ureteral obstruction. So whenever there is carcinoma of the bladder, it can cause obstruction of the ureter, and then when the ureter is obstructed, there is backflow and there is urine in the ureter, and there it flows back to the kidney. So there is nephrosis and hydroureter is present. The ureters are enlarged on the examination. Flank pain is very common. Usually the patient, they complain of this flank pain. It means they have the urinary problem, some is present. Palpable mass is also present if the mass is big enough, if the cancer or the growth is big enough, it can be palpable on examination of the abdomen. So these are some clinical features associated with bladder cancer. The staging of the bladder cancer, this is the uterus in the females on the back. Then we have T2, different type of staging. First T1. T1 cancer invades the connective tissue. We can start from here, just go from here to up. This is the urethra. Then the prostate in the males, the uterus in the female. So this is the small carcinoma in situ. So here if you see, this is carcinoma in situ, very small carcinoma in situ. TA here is non-invasive papillary carcinoma. So carcinoma in situ, TA, non-invasive papillary carcinoma. Then we have T1, now it invades the connective tissue. T2A invades the inner muscle. T2B now invades the outer muscle layer. T3A invades the fatty tissue. And T3B invades the fatty tissue macroscopically. T4 now invade to the nearby organs. Here it's invading the prostate. So the staging of the bladder cancer in carcinoma in situ, very small, very good diagrammatic presentation of different stages and how far they can present. carcinoma in situ. Then we have TA, non-invasive papillary carcinoma. T1 invade the connective tissue, then invade inner muscle layer, outer muscle layer. Then we have the fatty tissue invasion microscopically, then macroscopically, and then it invades the different surrounding organs. So that's how the staging of the bladder cancer occur from carcinoma in situ to T4. Diagnosis is by the visual inspection, mapping number and size, biopsy and CT scan, magnetic resonance, urogram, IVP, cystoscopy, bladder barbotage for cytology, ultrasonography, and radionuclide imaging of the skeleton. So all these are the different diagnostic tests. Carcinoma of the bladder is easy to diagnose also on ultrasonography, simple non-invasive test, and then sometimes we need cystoscopy, direct visualization of the bladder to look for the how big is the cancer, how deep is the growth and the penetration. IVP is intravenous pyelogram in which the dye is injected and then the flow of the dye is followed. And then CT scan, biopsy is always important for the diagnosis of the carcinoma to find out whether it's a benign, malignant, or it's non-cancerous cell growth. So all these are different important diagnostic tests for the carcinoma of the bladder. So that was all about this section. Thank you for watching sqadia.com.